Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. If you're a puzzle lover like me and you're looking for your next challenge, I can't tell you enough about how much fun I had making this adorable dog, all thanks to Block Center. This set comes with a nice variety of piece shapes, making it possible to get a realistic looking dog. I like how you assemble the dog in layers. It makes it easy to keep track of where you are in the puzzle. The instructions were easy to understand, and I like how each step wasn't too difficult. The design of the Dachshund Dog is so cute. From its big floppy ears to his pointy tail and his adorable collar, it's a well thought out set, and I was thoroughly impressed with the quality. The box says that it's for ages 14 and up, and I think that that is accurate. Because the pieces are so mini, it does require some patience, but honestly, it would make the perfect gift for your teenager. So I had a blast putting this dog together. I want to get all the other dogs too because they have other ones that you can get as well. I think they would make a great collection if you got them all. It'd be so adorable. I started off with the Dachshund. I just think he's so cute. I just love the detail of the blue collar as well. And I'm going to continue enjoying it on my shelf, looking at it every day. You're going to have a great time putting your set together from Block Center, and that's my point of view.